Dogs have to give blood just like humans, which hardly anybody realises. And every time you give blood, it saves 4 dogs, which is sort of quite incredible, I think.
Oh, good girl, there we go.
This is her last donation because they're only allowed to give blood up until the age of 9, and she'll be 9 in about 3 weeks' time. She loves coming here. She sort of jumped straight out of the car, came straight to the door and straight in.
We've not come across anybody else that knows about it. I tell people about it now in the local park.
This is our 4th time. We did it since last year. It's brilliant because, I mean, you'd think humans do it, so why not animals, really?
I feel extremely proud of him. Look at you. I feel so proud of him.
She gets a health check, she gets treats, toys. She was sort of relaxed throughout it all, enjoyed all the attention, all the belly rubs, so she sort of really enjoyed it.
Yeah, she's a very treat-oriented dog.
It's actually 50-50 if we get a donation the first time, which is absolutely fine. It's great to do some training with them because it's something that they've never experienced before. So some dogs will come along and not donate on their first time, so we just make it a really positive experience and then build on that for when they come next time.
Say bye, Cassie. Come on, bye.